If you know, you know. With our special guest, Gabbi Garcia and Khalil Ramos.
Bagay ito sa inyo kasi it's beginner-friendly. At
Promise,
wala kayong huhugasan masyado.
Talaga?
Ready? Let's go!
Let's go.
Step 1, we're going to marinate our chicken with soy sauce and
Soy
vinegar.
sauce.
Pwedeng yung chopped onions, ilagay nyo na dito sa chicken. And garlic. Now, let's proceed to step 2, which is searing the chicken. Ipiprito lang natin siya dito sa rice cooker. Ilagay na natin the rest of the marinade. And now, we proceed to step 3. So, gagamit tayo ng Knorr chicken cubes. May sarap yan ang real chicken. Together with bay leaves, brown sugar, black pepper, and water. And then lastly, washed rice. We close this off and we'll be back. Review!
Uy, sarap.
Kung kaya namin,
Kaya nyo rin.